we're back. We're back now, and my dad finished draining this. This is how it happens. This is how it looks like after it's drained. So we go here, and my dad is. You didn't complete the message because it took more than 10 minutes. That's why you need to rip one. No, I don't want to rip the $100. I'll just do the ice pack. Because I have a choice. I don't. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have a choice. Okay, so we basically
I'm going to put the cover back on.
So my dad is going to put the cover back on.
So you have to help me. Help me getting the screws.
Hey, what's this tube?
내비도 제발.
You can put the it's not. That's all gas. If I touch that, it's gonna explode. Okay. Screws. Where are the screws? Where the screws? So I just here are the screws. So can I just place them one by one?
Okay.
I'm just gonna place them one by one.
Okay, do this using your fingers. Do the initial
Turn it a little
the
bit.
initial screwing, so that I can do it with the machine. Do the next one while I'm doing the first
Okay.
one. Good shit.
I'm slow at this. Oops. Left-handed.
No, or you just put it here so that I can, place it here on the tip. Okay.
Okay, now.
That's easier now.
Yes, it is easier.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Do you know why I'm doing one screw here and then another screw here and then screw here and then here?
Because if you do this on, this is going to fall off, right?
If you just do one part all the way, it might get crooked and you might not be able to get these screws on. So when you put screws in, you want to do them zigzag, like here, here, and here, here, and here, and here. Does that make sense?
Yes. We have 3 more screws left. 3 5. This one is going to be my next victim.
Victim?
Yes, victim. Final victim.
What do you think the very last one will go?
Here, some.
찾아보세요.
Here.
Oh. 뭐죠?
There's water in this thing.
Now it's all drained.
And this is where the water goes in.
This is where the water comes in. That's the faucet. And this is where the water goes out.
Why does it go out?
들어가면 나와야지. Water would go in and wash clothes, and then where does the water go?
Out.
Yeah, it has to drain.
Oh.
It'll be dirty water comes out of this, and clean water would go in through these pipes.
Okay.
Okay?
That makes sense.
Okay. Good job. Thank you.